Today's topic is modulus. Okay. So what's modulus? Mod of x equals to plus x when x greater than or equals to 0 minus x when x less than 0. Modulus function works and how cat is asking questions regarding modulus. Okay. Given that mod of x minus 5 plus mod of x plus 1 sorry plus 1 plus mod of x plus 4 equals to 12. Okay. So how are we going to do? So do we take the what we say? So to solve these kind of problems, first we have to take a number line. Okay. After taking a number line, just take all the values at which this thing is equal to 0. Like if we take x minus 5 equals to 0, that means x equals to 5. So put 5 here on the number line. And when x plus 1 equals to 0, that means x equals to minus 1. Put it on the number line. And x plus 4 equals to 0, x equals to minus 4. Put it on the number line. Okay. Let these three be 3 points A, B, and C. When we are substituting x equals to minus 4, solve this and write down the number and write down the output of that number. When we are putting x equals to minus 4 here, what happens is uh, x plus x minus 5. So when we are substituting x equals to minus 4 in this, we are getting the value of this is 12. Okay. And when we are putting x equals to minus 1, we are getting the value as 9. And you're putting x equals to 5, we are getting the value as 15. Okay. So remember one thing. So here the number is 9, right? And here it is 15. If you are taking any value greater than 5, we are getting the output greater than 15. Here the output lies between 9 to 15. In this range, the output lies between 9 and 15. Okay. So here it will be greater than 12. Sorry, it will be greater than 12. The output here will be greater than 12. So what in the question what they asked is we need to find the solutions for x at which this equation is equal to 12. This expression equals to 12. So this is one point. And if we travel left side, the value will increase. So we won't get 12 anywhere. And if we are traveling right, the value will decrease. So here also in this range also we are not going to get any value. So if you observe these 2 points minus 1 and 5, like 9 and 15, there will be one value at which the output will be 12. So how are we going to solve it? Let x lies between minus 1 and 5. 5. Okay. After that, x plus 1. X plus 1 is positive. And after that, x plus 4. X plus 4 is also positive. So equal to 12. After solving this, x plus 10 equals to 12. X equals to 2. So x equals to 2 is one value at which we are going to get a solution. So what are the solutions is x equals to 5, sorry, x equals to minus 4 is one solution, x equals to 2 is another solution. These are the two solutions of this equation. So I'll explain another example. Given that f of x equals to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of 2x minus 1 plus mod of 3x minus 1, we are asked to find f of x minimum value. Okay. So when will this be equals to 0? That means x equals to 1, right? So draw a number line, x equals to 1. Okay, then 2x minus 1 equals to 0. That means x equals to 1 by 2. But since the coefficient is 2, you have to write it down 2 times. Okay. After that, x equals to 1 by 3. Since the coefficient is 3, we have to write it down 3 times. Okay. So when will be able to find the minimum value? We can find the minimum value in this region. Okay, in this region. So f of x is minimum when x belongs to closed 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2. So f of 1 by 3 is 1. F of 1 by 2 equals to 1. So for any value between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, f of 1 f of x is minimum. So we can solve it in this way. And I'll discuss one concept called common roots and common solutions. Let us take a graph and another graph. Okay. Uh, Here, uh, these two are common roots, and these two are common solutions. So, what's the difference between both of them is if they are if they are giving two equations, first you have to equate those two equations and find the values of x at which that final equation is solving. After solving that, uh, after solving that, substitute that value of x in both the equations. If both the equations are cutting x-axis at that point, that means they are common roots. If they are not cutting x-axis at that point, that means they are common solutions only. They are not common roots. Okay. Okay. So that's it about today's video. And in tomorrow's video, I will explain about remainder theorem and some